What is biohacking? You've heard of hacking computers, hacking smartphones, and hacking email. You've even heard of hacking elections. But what about hacking your body? The concept is called biohacking. While it may sound like something out of Brave New World, it's really all about self-improvement. And there are numerous ways to incorporate methods of biohacking your body and mind into your daily routine. What is biohacking your body? Biohacking your body means changing your chemistry and your physiology through science and self-experimentation to increase energy and vitality. It's a broad definition, but that's also because the concept is constantly evolving. There are many different answers to what is biohacking, including lifestyle and dietary changes. These include the more traditional habits that you may not even think of as biohacking: yoga and meditation, eating healthy, spending time in nature, finding exercise you enjoy, sleeping well, and using biohacking supplements. These are the rituals you must master before learning more about how to biohack. Wearable technology. Did you ever think of your Apple Watch or weight loss app as biohacking? All the wearable technology that gives you reminders to take more steps each day, drink water, or stand up and stretch is a type of biohacking, and can be extremely helpful to those who are just starting out. Implant technology. Many in the biohacking world consider implanted technology the next level, but it isn't mainstream yet. Yet the technology exists for microchips, bionic eyes, mind-controlled drones, and gene editing, and it could be in our futures. Genetic engineering. This is the type of biohacking that makes the news. It's based on a technology known as CRISPR, clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, which allows individuals to edit their own genetics. It's highly controversial and unregulated, for now existing only on the fringes of the biohacking world. How to biohack. The best place to start biohacking your body is with diet, exercise, and mindfulness exercises. From there, start using wearables like the Fitbit or the Apple Watch to track the way you operate. You could also start experimenting with the power of music in your everyday life and adopting a sustainable diet. Once you've mastered these basic biohacks, you'll be ready for something new and different. Consider one of these non-invasive methods and see what benefits you reap. Biohacking your circulatory system. Cryotherapy. Cryotherapy or cold therapy is a biohacking method that exposes the entire body to very cold temperatures. Cryotherapy causes severe vasoconstriction throughout the body. When the body returns to normal temperature, there is a rush of blood back to the tissues, which brings with it lots of nutrients and minerals, and gives you an endorphin rush. The best part of cryotherapy is that it takes only 3 minutes. Our time is valuable. Most of us don't have an hour every day for a massage or a chiropractor visit, but we probably have 3 minutes. It's worth it for this invigorating, restoring experience. How does this range of light waves impact us, and how can we use it to biohack the body? In plainer terms, red light therapy has become an increasingly popular form of biohacking used to treat a number of conditions. It has been proven to relieve pain, reduce inflammation, and restore function. I hope you now feel empowered to start optimizing your own body and mind. Remember, small changes can add up to make a big impact. Start with one technique and see how your body responds. Then, keep experimenting and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like me to explore, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on biohacking, self-optimization, and cutting-edge health.